Wait, sorry, hold on.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Showtime, Xavier. Shut the lights off and the engine. Thank you.
Jose, I need 5 quarts of 016.
Do you?
I'll take it when I'm almost done.
Okay.
That's synthetic, right?
Yes.
This is my actual first time using Valvoline. I've never been in Valvoline before, and I didn't have to get out the car because they go under your car and they do your oil change that way. That is so cool.
I did not know it was that easy to get a fucking, what's that thing called? To get a goddamn oil change at Valvoline. I've been passing Valvoline for dumb long. I don't even be paying any attention to Valvoline. I did not come out the car not once. What the hell? This option has been here this whole time. But
If you get, my bad, I'm driving. If you get
Groupon, you can use Groupon and get a coupon. You use Groupon to get a coupon, and my oil change was $95. I just hurt my finger. Whew. Yeah, you can use Groupon to get a coupon for your oil change. That's what I did. I got $72 off. The whole oil change was $95. So good. And I didn't have to get out my car. So yay. But let me finish with the rest of my day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's most likely tonsillitis. Because I remember not. Yeah, you most likely have yeah. When your lymph nodes are swollen, it's because they're trying to, like, lymph nodes are very, very important. They keep bacteria from, they catch all the bacteria that would be floating around in that area. So, that's why it's important to make sure that your, look at this.
Jade roller. I just got a jade roller off of Amazon. I really wanted this thing. This is what I really wanted because I just wanted. Did they call you? Okay, that's out the way. If you could find yourself some red seeded grapes, definitely buy them and do not spit the seeds out. Swallow them or just chew on them or whatever. But yeah, this is my grocery haul. I picked up mad stuff. I went to the regular supermarket and then I also went to the Indian supermarket. So Yeah, this my little grocery haul. Yeah, period.